Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know, my name is Capri, and on my channel I like to create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. Today I wanted to do a realistic 5-minute makeup routine that you guys can do every day just to make yourself feel good throughout the day, knowing that you set aside 5 minutes to make yourself feel beautiful. Now, there are 3, maybe 2 main components to take away from this video. The first one is the things that I do in 5 minutes to make myself feel good may not necessarily be your priorities. So mine is concealer and mascara. Yours may be lashes and some lip gloss. It all depends on what you deem as a priority. Second, you have to prep your skin. This is not going to work if you do not moisturize your skin and take care of your skin, even drinking enough water. Like, you have to make sure that is a top priority for you as well. And the third thing is setting aside and having your makeup in one place already. That's going to help you do your makeup in 5 minutes. Whether that's a makeup bag or you have your stuff sitting in the bathroom already, it's really up to your discretion. Long as everything is already together for you to just go in there and whip your makeup out in 5 minutes. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the things that's important for me to do my makeup in 5 minutes, and then we're going to jump into me timing myself and doing my makeup in 5 minutes. So let's jump into the things that are more important to me. So when it comes to me doing my makeup in 5 minutes, concealer. If I only got 2 minutes, I'm throwing no concealer and blending it out with my fingers. Mascara and some face powder. Currently, I've been using the Dior face powder, but I think I might mix it today. I am a little tan, so I might have to just use this one. So we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. As well as me filling in my brows. Even if it's just some little hairs that I throw in there, we got to get the job done. So that's my things that I like to have done within 5 minutes. Oh, and we can't forget the lip gloss. You gotta make the lips look juicy now. Okay, all right. Okay, so I zoomed in for us so we can get it up close and personal. You know, we got new equipment now. Okay, all right. So timer is gonna start for 5 minutes. Let's go. First, we are going to start with filling in our brows. Putting an outline at the bottom. My brows seriously need to be done, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna brush them up with a spoolie. It already has like some brow soap on there. I probably should put some more. We'll see if I got time. I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath concealer in the shade 23. This is like somewhat my summer shade. Carve out these brows, hunty. Okay, let me do this one first. Okay, I'm gonna brush that out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna use my finger. Okay. Now I'm gonna take that shade 23 concealer right here around my nose and on my chin, and I also like to get right here sometimes too, just to make it look bright. And I'm gonna take Pack Trick one size concealer and put it a little bit right here because it's a little bit brighter. This is in the shade Dark 1. We currently got 3 minutes left, and I'm gonna just blend this out. That looks really good. And I like to blend it down past my cheek just so it blends in more. We got 2 minutes and 25 seconds left, y'all. Lord. Okay. We got that blended in. Whatever's left over, I'll put it on the forehead just so I don't look crazy. I feel like my brows look crazy, but they always give me a hard time. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Powder in the shade 2 with a powder puff, and I'm just going to set under my eyes just to give us a little coverage and to brighten it back up just a little bit. Right. All right, and I decided I am going to mix my Bare Minerals powder with my Dior powder. We got 1 minute and 26 seconds left. I know it looked crazy around the nose, but I got it. And we just gonna pat this in right here. Make sure you blend that in. And I'm also gonna put this on my nose. And don't forget your forehead. We got 50 seconds left. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna brush my brows up one more time, since I just messed them up with that, what's the name? All right, put some mascara on. Why my lashes looking crazy like that? Lip gloss. And last but not least, some setting spray to melt it all together. I think I actually like this setting spray, y'all. And we done. All right, and we done. I'm gonna take this sponge to press in the setting spray so it doesn't leave any little droplets. Now that's something about the spray bottle I do not like, but that's neither here or there. Okay. And this is the final look. Ew, look at that. Skin is glowing, you know, with the products that we use. Eyebrows look decent. You know, they look like it's there. They're existing. Lips are juicy, you know, but overall the skin looks immaculate. That was the goal, you know. And there you have it. Here is my 5-minute makeup. It was very realistic. You know, I didn't use many products, because when you have 5 minutes, you don't have time to use a lot of products. Now, if you can throw on a whole face in 5 minutes, I'll give you props. But me, I want to keep it simple, but make sure my skin look gorgeous, like I just woke up or something, you know? Just look well put together. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content as much as I enjoyed making it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.